Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a clean with me. We're gonna clean up this whole room, and that's about it. And yeah, we're gonna clean up the whole room, finish washing clothes, all of that. Well, I'm done. I'm done with washing clothes. I just need to hang them to dry them and fold them all up. So the only clips you're gonna be seeing in this video is clips from my bedroom that I'm recording in right now. And if I do other clips, I'm just filming in this bedroom. Alright, let's go. I started by sweeping, but you will see the rest of this day. And I organized a little bit too, but you'll see the rest. Alright, let's go. Watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe.